Okay guys, here's the setup for the send 4 out of nickel normal. Now, when you're blitzing, you're going to want to crash down, but when you're going to be not blitzing, you're going to send block shed defense, you want to crash up. I noted that in both the blitz video and this one. So all you're going to do is make it look the same thing as the blitz. You want to be able to disguise your plays so they look similar, and the offensive player, your opponent, cannot figure out which one that you are doing. So I'm just going to press, pinch my line, crash up, pinch my linebackers, right? So it looks just like the blitz. But I'm in cover 4 palms. You're going to be in different things. Cover 3 cloud. You're going to be in Tampa 2. You're going to be in a bunch of different things. But you can still use this safety, just like before, against certain things. Against a trip set like this, you can leave the guy on this deep quarter because out of palms he's going to match it, and then you're still going to be good to go down here. And I'm going to show you guys different adjustments you guys can do out of this in the base coverage adjustments section as well as the blitz section. But just so you know, you can still use it as safety. Obviously, if you want to pull them down and do different things, you want to use her a linebacker, you can. It won't look exactly the same as the blitz, but you could always be sending 6. You can just mix it up the way that you do it. If they're in a doubles, I probably wouldn't use her the safety just because you don't want to go up a deep bomb, and just know what you have to watch yourself. So different things will call for different users, but for the most part, I like to try to make it look exactly the same. So I'm just grabbing the safety right now and I'm bringing them down. But that's the setup for the send 4. Now I'll show you guys it coming in successfully. Okay, so here's the setups and the successful attempts from nickel normal shed defense. You guys don't have to see it much, man. I'm telling you, it's just going to come right in pretty much every time. Even if Myles Garrett doesn't come in, like the right side guys coming into you, they both get one-on-ones. It's very, very effective. You can do it at any defense. You guys saw cover 4 the first time. This is cover 2. I'm using her in a safety in all these videos, and I talk about that in the coverage adjustments and stopping the meta sections. You don't have to do this. It's just something you could do, and it's something that's an option in nickel normal so that you can get better animations while lurking. But the point of this is just to see how much you guys can shed, and that you can use different defenses. So this is cover 3 cloud. We use Tampa 2. We use cover 4 palms. You can use whatever you want, and you're going to get very quick block sheds, especially if you have an elite pass rusher like Myles Garrett.